All right, thanks, guys. My name is Andre. I'm here to represent Planet. This is a Dove. This is one of our 200-plus satellite constellations. In Valentine's Day of this year, we launched 88, the largest ever, from an Indian rocket. In June, we launched another 48 from a Russian rocket. And we are planning to have another launch of 6 of our high-resolution SkySats that will be happening the 31st of this month down in Southern California, our first ever launch in California. So how does it work? Basically, our satellites are strung out like pearls, and they are essentially a line scanner of the Earth. What this means is that our mission 1 is complete. We can take a picture of every single point on Earth, every single day, and deliver it to our clients within 24 hours. So that means companies like energy and infrastructure, agriculture, different groups in insurance and forestry, obviously defense and intelligence. What this means is that we can monitor operations anywhere around the world at any time. This is an example of using broad-based monitoring with our Doves that are sitting up here and then getting a SkySat highly targeted look at a proprietary operation on the ground, in this case in the Permian Basin. It's global in scale, so we're looking now at sort of the South China Sea and identifying infrastructure builds, airports, logistic facilities, things of that nature, in all areas of the world. One of the recent things we did was, because we have this always-on technology, we are able to essentially have the most up-to-date road information. So we helped out FEMA and some others by essentially enabling them to see what roads were actually flooded versus what they had in sort of their 100-year flood zone area. This is also the same for any areas like Iraq or Syria or any other places where there might be challenges in terms of identifying roads. Some of the engagements that we do is essentially monitoring port activity, looking at various natural resources and ports and trying to figure out how much is there. Infrastructure around the world, are things going on as scheduled? Logistic hubs, in this case, an airport in Dubai. And obviously, disaster and emergency management. Rural areas, city areas, it doesn't really matter for us. We're agnostic in terms of that. One of the most unique features is our SkySat. High resolution also takes video. So what you're looking at here is some real-time video from a SkySat of that Dubai airport. It takes night images and also takes night video. So one of the most interesting things that we are doing now in sort of our mission 2 is we are essentially opening up our ecosystem and our infrastructure for a handful of governments and select clients to essentially own a satellite and use our infrastructure to support your operations. Or there is also a virtual option, which is where you own a capacity, a piece of capacity that can be spread out over the entire constellation. You use just a general GUI from your desk, which allows you to task any of these satellites for any of the missions that you might have. If you guys want to talk to me, the Dove, if you can find the Dove, you will find me. Thank you.